This is numbers 14 through 16. So the first question asks, why is this ABC going to be similar to DBE? Well, let's look at this. I see I have a 90-degree angle in both of these triangles, in the large triangle and in the small triangle. That means I have an angle congruent to an angle. And this angle right in here, BCA, is congruent to this large angle, EBD, on the big triangle because of the reflexive property. And so because of that, now notice I've got angle, angle. So we can say angle, angle similarity theorem. Then I'm asked to find BA. Now what I want you to notice here is BA is the entire side here for this figure, okay, for this triangle. I also want you to look here that the entire side here includes the 40 and the x. So when we're comparing these, we need to make sure we're comparing these correctly. Notice that this is the whole length side of the small triangle, and this is the whole length side that corresponds for the large triangle. So when we set up this to solve for x, we're actually going to be setting up BA over what it compares to. So BA goes with BD, and that should equal the other side, AC, over the larger side here, DE. Now we can fill in our numbers. BA here is equal to x over the entire length of BD is the x plus the 40 equals AC is 6 and DE here is 15. And now we're going to cross multiply. Again, when we cross multiply, we're going to get 15x. That one's easy to see, but be careful on this other one. 6 times, we're going to multiply it times the whole denominator, which means we need parentheses, and that means we're going to be using the distributive property. So this gives me 15x equals 6 times x is 6x. And then we're going to do 6 times 40, which is 240. Now if I subtract 15 minus 6, I'm going to get 9x equals 240. And then we divide both sides by 9. And we're going to get that x is equal to 26 and 2/3. You might have seen it as 0.6 repeating, but that'll kind of give you an idea of what this x is, which means that's what BA is in this case. Because you're going to have BA equals 26 and 2/3, or 26.6 repeating. That would be the answer for this one. And now BD is going to be that length plus 40. So if we do 26 and 2/3 plus the 40, that's going to give me the whole length of BD. So when I add that, I'm going to get 66 and 2/3. And let's go and throw some units on these because they had units. Feet, which also means that this one would be feet as well.